Coming up on 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Ignition start. And we have liftoff. Liftoff of an ILS Proton rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan with the Nimiq 6 satellite on board. It's a little difficult to see due to the fact that this is nighttime in Baikonur, but about 10 seconds after liftoff, the rocket does a roll maneuver and is soon going to experience maximum dynamic pressure, also known as max Q. And that's the maximum aerodynamic load on the vehicle. For Proton, it corresponds to about Mach 1.6 and occurs 1 minute and 2 seconds after liftoff. Going through T plus 45 seconds now. Stage 1 continues to operate, being told that the sound is making all the buildings vibrate as it normally does. Coming up on max Q, and we're through max Q now.